When something unexpected happens at your business, it's stressful. But filing an insurance claim doesn't have to be confusing. Here's the right way to do it, step by step. First, safety. Make sure you, your employees, and any customers are out of harm's way. Call emergency services if there's even a small chance you need them. Second, secure the scene to prevent more damage. This could mean locking a door, covering broken windows, or shutting down equipment. But, and this is important, don't do any repairs or cleanup yet. Your insurer may need to see exactly what happened. Third, document everything. Jot down the date, the time, and a brief description of the incident. If anyone else saw it, get their names and a quick account of what they witnessed. Take plenty of photos, different angles, good lighting, close-up of damage, and wider shots to show context. Fourth, submit your claim to Next Insurance as soon as possible. This kicks off the process so they can start working on your case. Fifth, keep the communication lines open with your claims advocate. Think of them as your partner in getting the claim resolved. They can only work as fast as the information you give them. For dependable, affordable business insurance you can trust, click the link in my description to get started with Next Insurance today.